To create a connection for Rillet, let's begin by navigating to the Create Resource section. Next, go to Connections and search for Rillet. Click on Rillet to proceed. Select the appropriate environment. In this instance, we'll choose the Sandbox environment. Now, add your API key as a bearer token. To retrieve this, access your Rillet sandbox. From there, navigate to Organization Settings, then proceed to API Access. Here, we'll generate a new API key. Once generated, confirm and create the API key. Next, copy your API key and paste it directly into Stacksync. Then, click Next. Finally, name your connection. And just like that, your connection is live. Bidirectional data consistency across all your critical systems. The Nor1 AI native integration platform, purpose-built for enterprise-grade real-time data synchronization.